Hello, Mark Epperson here with MarineMax Pompano Beach. We're aboard the 2019 Boston Whaler 315 Conquest. On the back here we have the two Mercury 300s. These are the new Mercury naturally aspirated V8s. Flip out seating on the transom. You also have a port side flip out seat here as well. There's plenty of space back here to do your fishing. There's a couple fish boxes on either side. And you do have a live well in the back here as well. So if you're doing your entertaining, you want to hang out in the back, or you want to do your fishing, this really accommodates both. Summer kitchen option here. You do have the grill. So if you're hanging out in the back and you do want to fire up the grill, you can go ahead and do your cooking right here. What's beautiful about this seat, you have a nice reversible seat. So if you want to face this way and face it aft, you can do so. Or if you want to go ahead and come up on through here, you can go ahead and with a filler cushion, you can face each other. There's a really nice seating here. Check this out. Nice table. So if you want to have a cocktail, face each other, have a little bit of dinner, you can go ahead and do so. It's very nice cockpit area. Luxury is what we're going for here. Air conditioning. So you have zoned air conditioning. So if you really want to zip this up and kind of enclose yourself and have a nice luxury feel and get that air going, you can do so. At the helm here, you have a your skyhook with your joystick piloting that's going to control these twin 300 Mercury Verados. Marine electronics on this boat, and we'll go downstairs in the cabin and we'll take a look down here. We're down here in the cabin of the 315 Conquest now. You have a nice high-low table here with a flip over. So if you want to go ahead and hang out down below, you can do so. This will push down. The cushions would come together, and you have a nice bed, nice sleeping arrangements here. You have your sink, little stove top, your microwave, and a television. Very conveniently located. In back below here, you do have a little bit more sleeping arrangement there. So sleeps 4 comfortably, and you have a full stand-up restroom, and you do have a shower head in there as well too to take care of yourself in there. Once again, it's Mark Epperson of MarineMax Pompano Beach aboard the 2019 315 Conquest, the Boston Whaler. Give us a call at 954-895-2730. Look forward to it.